CRISPR is brighter than artificial intelligence. India must invest in innovation. This is the opinion of Vivek Wadhwa, the CEO of Vionix Biosciences. I found this interesting article in the Economic Times published recently. India has the chance to lead in CRISPR technology by driving ethical gene editing innovations in healthcare, agriculture, and environmental sustainability. By establishing national research institute and initiatives, fast-track regulatory approvals, and encouraging public-private partnerships, India could develop cost-effective treatments, improve food security, and address environmental challenges, setting a global example. Our country is focused on artificial intelligence, and rightly so. AI will reshape industries, revolutionize healthcare, agriculture, and create vast economic opportunity. But it requires years of refinement, mountains of data, and billions in investment. Meanwhile, there is a simpler, cheaper, and more immediate opportunity that India is overlooking, one that could change the world just as dramatically. That is nothing but CRISPR, that is clustered, regulatory, interspersed, short palindromic repeat, which is a new genome editing technique. CRISPR is not just a breakthrough, but it also allows us to rewrite the very core of life. With a few chemicals and a basic lab, scientists can edit DNA with precision unimaginable a decade ago. This is a monumental as the transistor or sequencing the human genome. Imagine mangoes growing in the desert of Rajasthan, wheat that thrives in extreme heat and provides higher nutrition, or rice that resists drought and pests without pesticides. CRISPR can make this a reality. India has the agriculture, diversity, scientific expertise, and urgent need to transform its food systems. Our country can lead CRISPR-powered agriculture revolution, fundamentally different from past genetic modifications like BT cotton, which introduced foreign genes and raised ecological concerns. Unlike traditional genetic engineering, CRISPR makes precise, natural-like edits without inserting foreign DNA, making it a safer and more ethical tool. This isn't about corporate-controlled GM crops. It's about empowering farmers with healthier and more resilient plants. But CRISPR must not be left to profit-driven corporations like Monsanto or Bayer, which have a history of reckless commercialization. India must ensure CRISPR serves people, not corporate bottom lines. CRISPR could be used to clean polluted rivers by engineering bacteria that can break down industrial waste. But the only thing is, great power comes great responsibility. CRISPR in wrong hands could be catastrophic. Designer babies, genetic discrimination, and unintended ecological consequences are just a few of these potential risks. If gene edits escape into wide population, they could cause irreversible changes. There is also looming threat of bioterrorism. For this, ethical boundaries must be drawn clearly. CRISPR must heal, not harm. India has an opportunity to shape global norms by setting an example, demonstrating how gene editing can be leveraged for the betterment of humanity without crossing dangerous lines. For this, the country should establish national CRISPR research initiative, just as it has done with AI and space exploration. Create fast-track regulatory approvals that ensure safety without stifling innovation. Encourage PPP, bringing together universities, biotech startups, and pharma companies to create a thriving CRISPR ecosystem. Invest in educational and training. Future generations of scientists must be equipped with knowledge and skill that harness CRISPR full potential. Integrate CRISPR into health and agriculture policies to improve public health, food security, and environmental sustainability.